today we have Dr. Allison, our resident physical therapist here, talking about rows, both high and both low rows, and she's going to talk about why it's important to be utilizing these in your daily routine.
All right, rows are great for posture, keeping the your shoulder blades pinched back, and as some people say, chest out, but it's more for the bringing those shoulder blades down and in. See how Kelsey's, I'm just going to show like right here, she's bringing her shoulder blades down and in, activating those middle and lower traps instead of using these upper traps that we use way too much throughout the day, causing some headaches, neck pain. We want to use the middle and the lower traps for strengthening and for posture and doing things right at home. So let's go through 2 exercises that you can do for focusing on the middle and lower traps. So we're going to first start with the lower rows. This is more focused towards your middle traps. So she has her upright posture, her shoulders are retracted, keeping a flat back. So you can do a little bit more of a posterior pelvic tilt. There you go. See how her back's flat? If you start getting a pinching pain down here, try to think about, how she just made that adjustment of having a nice flat back instead of a rounded one. And when she's gonna pull back, squeezing those shoulder blades down and in, try to think of maybe if you're trying to pinch your spine or trying to touch your spine with your shoulder blades. And then she's slowly going back, forward, and then back again. And also notice how she's not straining. She's just going to about where her torso is, and then going back. Once we go past our torso, sometimes then we use our upper traps and we start using our neck muscles and straining. So when you're first starting out, try just to go to the torso like Kelsey is, and then doing it nice, slow, and controlled. This is one that you can initiate at the gym too. They have the row machine, not the cardio one, but you could use that as well. But they have more of the weightlifting one that you can, this is very similar, you can do it seated or standing. I like to do it right on the doorknob because everyone mostly has a doorknob, so that's easy. Perfect. So let's transition to the high rows. This one's more focused towards your lower traps, but same concept. She's keeping a good posture. Her shoulder blades are retracted back. And I haven't talked about this yet, but her head is right on top of her spine. And a good way to remember is like the little hole in your ear. It's lined up with that top part of the notch of your shoulder. If you're by a mirror, it's kind of helpful to see, am I standing upright? That's a good landmark right there. And so this time she's going to be pulling down and back. And it's just a slightly different angle, but she's keeping her elbows closer to her body. They're about like this far away from her body, just a little bit. Yep, perfect. Yeah, that's even better. She's such a great model. And then slowly bringing it back up. And then when she's coming down, she's using those shoulder blades and pinching them together. So that's basically it. Try that at the gym, try that at home. I just tied like 3 knots in a TheraBand or whatever kind of band you have, and just try it out for a good posture and assist you with having less back pain and neck pain.